Introducing the executive fifth wheel to Gooseneck Pin Box, a game changer in RV towing technology. With this innovative solution, you can effortlessly connect your fifth wheel RV to your truck using a gooseneck ball, offering a range of advantages that redefine convenience and efficiency. Say goodbye to the bulky fifth wheel hitch at the back of your truck, reclaiming the full use of your truck bed when you're not towing your camper trailer. Plus, if you already have a gooseneck ball, you'll save on the additional costs associated with buying and installing a fifth wheel hitch. But what truly sets this product apart is Gen Y's cutting-edge Torsion-Flex technology. Experience a towing journey like never before, featuring benefits such as enhanced cargo protection, potential fuel economy improvements, reduced tire wear on your truck and trailer, minimized shock transfer, and an exceptionally smooth ride. And with a limited lifetime warranty, you can trust in its durability. Our friendly staff is eager to guide you through our impressive selection and help you find the perfect RV for your needs.